Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I love to make smoothies, healthy recipes and all these things, guys, so for you to make at home for breakfast, lunch or dinner, whatever you want to make it is up to you, but it's also detoxing and cleansing your body and all these things. I love to share my ideas with you. If you have your ideas, drop something in the description box and let others know also too. Thank you for watching. From Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram, my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo, and also don't forget subscribe and click in the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Stay nice and lovely. So basically I'm gonna tell you exactly what's going on right here. We have a lot of spinach, which is iron. Alright, so we're gonna put a large handful of spinach in our blender, just like that. That's the spinach. And also I have a little bit of black grape and red apple and blueberry right here. I'm just gonna chop that in. Just a little bit of leftover from Chef Ricardo. Alright, next thing we have some ginger, which we want to put inside of it. Nice to put a lovely piece of thick piece of a ginger and just remove the skin from it, guys, honestly. So once you remove the skin from the ginger, you just cut it up into half and small pieces. Also, lemon. I'm gonna use half of a lemon and I'm gonna remove the skin from it. I'm just gonna drop that straight inside of it, just like that. Cucumber. Just gonna use half a cucumber. And also we have some pear, which we're going to just put half a pear also inside of it. Lovely and nice. We got the ginger, we got the pear, we got the lemon, or you have lime. Put some apple cider vinegar in it, why not? Roughly about a teaspoon. Alright guys, now we're gonna put a tablespoon of organic honey inside of it, alright? Lovely. Now we're just gonna put roughly about half cups of water. Not a lot of water, roughly about half cup. And now we're gonna make some nice. We're gonna be blending this about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright. Nice and lovely. So that's finished blending. Now looking good, could be better, yeah, but it's good. Looking really nice. Very smooth and nice. Look at that. No lump, nothing. Beautiful. Alright. So that's exactly what you want to see in the kitchen. Alright. Beautiful and nice and simple one, guys. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Lovely and nice healthy smoothie recipe in the morning for breakfast. Alright, stay tuned and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe like this for you to have in the morning from Chef Ricardo and the team. Leave your comments and tell me what do you think about my healthy smoothie recipe. See you next time.